we need to talk. It's never easy saying goodbye to something that's been part of your life for so long. The early morning webinars, the breakout sessions, and of course, the moments when someone forgot to mute and their dog stole the show. Webex Training Center, we've had a good run. But Cisco made it official. You're sunsetting. And while we'll always remember the good times, it's time to move on. Because the truth is, we found someone new. Someone who actually gets us. Let's be honest. You were built for meetings, not for training. You didn't adapt to how we teach today. And you left instructors with almost no control. So yeah, we stuck around longer than we should have. But now, we're upgrading. Meet ReadyTech, the best Webex Training Center alternative for hands-on online training. ReadyTech was built for real learning, not another video call. Instructors can oversee every lab in real time, take control when a student's stuck, and actually see who's engaged. Students get hands-on labs that just work, right from their browser. No downloads, no plugins, no IT headaches. And here's the best part. You don't have to rebuild a thing. ReadyTech supports your existing lab setup, on-prem, cloud, bare metal, whatever you've got. We'll guide your migration, set you up fast, and support your team 24/7 with real people, not chatbots. So, if Webex Training Center is calling it quits, don't panic. Move on with ReadyTech and get a platform designed for the way training really works. Because this isn't just a breakup, it's a glow up. ReadyTech, built by trainers for trainers.